you know 67% of hiring managers say that AI has improved the quality of their hiring decisions? Nearly 70% of Fortune 500 companies use AI in their recruitment process. That's not some prediction. This is what's happening right now. Picture this. You show up for a job interview, but there's no one there, just your screen, no recruiter, no small talk. Instead, it's AI on the other side, quietly analyzing how you speak, what you say, your eye contact, expressions, even the tone of your voice. Sounds intense, right? This is a reality of AI video interviews used by companies like Amazon, Deloitte, Unilever to screen candidates faster and smarter than ever before. If you want to beat the bot, stand out, and get that call back, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through what to expect, how AI actually evaluates you, expert tips you won't hear elsewhere, real interview questions, and the best tools to help you prep like a pro. Let's get into it. What is an AI video interview? AI video interviews are asynchronous, meaning there's no live recruiter. You record your answers to preset questions and AI software scores your performance. What AI evaluates, as in what you say, the clarity, relevance, keyword alignment, how you say it, your tone, fluency, and energy, what you look like, eye contact, expressions, and confidence. Think of it like a video audition. Yes, it's an AI interview, but it's not looking for robotic answers. It's trained to pick up on authenticity. So be structured, but be you. You're being scored on performance, presence, and potential by both AI and eventually a real human reviewing your video. Let's discuss some practice tools to help you prepare. Do you want to see how you come across before it really counts? Well, practice using these AI interview simulation tools. Number 1, HireHQ.ai. It offers realistic AI-powered interview practice with instant feedback on tone, clarity, and presence. Number 2, HireVue Practice with realistic mock interviews with automated feedback. Number 3, Interview Warm-Up by Google. Best for entry-level to mid-level tech and non-tech roles. Number 4, My Interview. You could record and review your responses. Number 5, Interviewing.io. It's especially useful for technical interviews. Now, don't just focus on getting the answers right. Focus on how you sound and how you appear. AI-powered interview preparation tools help you refine your delivery so it feels more confident and human, not robotic. Now let's discuss how you can set up like a pro. First impressions matter even when the interviewer is a machine. Choose a quiet, well-lit spot. Keep your background clean and distraction-free. Position your camera at eye level and not at nostril level. Dress like you're meeting a real person. Test your internet, mic, and webcam. And then, before the real thing, try to record a 30-second answer and rewatch it. You'll definitely spot lighting, angle, or posture issues that you can fix in advance. Understand what AI is actually looking for. AI tools these days are based on generative AI and they are trained to evaluate beyond just your words. So here's what they score you on. Relevance. Are you using keywords from the job description? Delivery. Do you sound confident, clear, and fluent? Non-verbal cues. Your eye contact, energy, and emotional tone. Consistency. Are you steady in your pace and posture? Mirror the job description. Use the language and phrases that match the company's own tone and keywords. The AI is programmed to look for those signals. Now let's practice some common AI questions. These questions come up in almost every interview, and nailing them with clear, confident answers can really set you apart. Tell me about yourself. Think of this as your elevator pitch. Example, I'm a data architect with about 6 years of experience, mostly in finance and retail. Most recently, I led a cloud migration project that cut data processing time by 40%. I love solving complex problems and building systems that scale. The next common question is, describe a time you overcame a challenge. Now for this, use the STAR method, as in situation, task, action, and result. Try to keep it concise and focus on impact, especially anything you can quantify. The third question is, why do you want to work here? It's a very common question, and the answer could be, you have to talk about what genuinely excites you. Maybe it's the company's mission, the work they're doing, or the team culture. Then connect it back to your own values or career goals. Couple of points to keep in mind. Don't memorize. Practice enough to sound structured but not scripted. If you stumble, then breathe, keep going. The AI rewards composure. Avoid long silences. Keep your answers flowing because AI chatbot should not feel that the person has switched off. Look directly at the camera and not your face on the screen. Before you hit start, pause and say, I've got this. The tiny mindset shift can completely change your presence on the camera. AI may be screening you, but what it's really doing is looking for the real you, your potential, your clarity, and your confidence. Master these strategies and you'll definitely stand out, not just to the algorithm, but to the human behind the hiring decision. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe my channel for more expert job search tips. Please drop interview prep in the comments for your free AI video interview practice guide. And tell me, have you faced an AI interview yet? What surprised you most? I'd love to hear your story. Thank you.